Hey there. I want to share a story that might just help you or someone you know. Two of my friends ended up in the hospital recently with some serious health issues like high blood pressure, an aneurysm, and fluid in the lungs. Their doctors said some of this happened because they hadn't been taking their blood pressure medication. That made me wonder about what happens when we rely on medication and don't explore other ways to stay healthy. So I decided to check my own blood pressure, and it was high. My reading was 141 over 110. That's pretty high. So instead of turning to meds right away, I went back to my roots and tried natural remedies. Here's what I did. I made a natural tonic that I took for 3 days straight, and I also made what I call my medicine drink, a smoothie that tastes great and is packed with all the good stuff our bodies need. Here's the recipe for the tonic. The ingredients are 1 tablespoon of black pepper. This helps with blood flow. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. It's great for heart health. 1 tablespoon of ginger. Ginger improves circulation. 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon helps with blood sugar balance. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for circulation and blood pressure. Half an apple or banana, full of potassium, which is great for blood pressure. 1 clove of garlic. Garlic relaxes blood vessels. 1/2 cup of water helps absorb everything. After just 3 days of taking this tonic, eating clean, whole foods, and avoiding anything processed, my blood pressure dropped to 117 over 71. I also started taking black seed oil, which is known for its powerful benefits. It helps reduce inflammation, supports the immune system, and even promotes the growth of new cells in the body. But one of my favorite things I do is this medicine drink smoothie. It's full of all the daily recommended vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants we need. It's affordable, made with fresh ingredients, and tastes great. No need to spend a fortune to feel good. If you'd like to try this, I recommend getting a little blood pressure monitor to check your progress. I have links in my bio and description to get it from Amazon. Take the tonic in the morning with a glass of water that has a bit of apple cider vinegar and oregano oil, and enjoy my medicine drink for extra nutrients. Also, cut back on processed foods, avoid smoking, and limit alcohol. I've created an ebook, 5 Steps to Noon Transformation, a morning guide to healthier living based on my personal morning ritual that I follow every day before noon. These simple, powerful steps are designed to help transform your mind and body into a healthier, more vibrant version of you. If you'd like a copy of this life-changing guide, leave a comment saying 5 Steps to Noon. For more of my daily health tips, don't forget to like, follow, and share with anyone who could benefit. Let's take control of our health naturally.